So hello guys, welcome to the Microsoft Word lecture. This is the fifth video, and in this lecture we'll be seeing more about the tables option. So we all know what is a table actually. So there are many different options which are available in tables function, which we can explore in this video. So first, table is actually a group of row and column. So Microsoft already has a defined set of 10 cross 8 tables can be created, and how much ever you want, the number of rows and columns can be adjusted by this. So if I want 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 or 4 cross 2 or 4 cross 3 table can be created using this format, and also customized table can be created using this table insert table tab, in which you can adjust the number of columns and the number of rows, and also fixed column also you can adjust, column width actually you can adjust. I will keep it as auto, and then see, there are two options. You can either fit the insert to the window size. If I select this, you can see that the table will be fitted to window size. When the table actually appears, you see that there is two table tools tab that opens. One is the design tab and another is the layout tab. So we'll see that soon. So before that, let us see what happens. If I click insert, then I select table. In insert table, I increase the number of rows and columns and auto fit to content. If I click this, then you can see only a small amount only will come, and it will get adjusted with the contents I make. Okay, so if I write my name, see how the cells naturally get adjusted by themselves. See, I am typing like this, and the cells will naturally get adjusted by itself. So this is how we can create cells like this. So next thing is how to change the cell size. So with this you can actually increase, or you can add or delete any, if you want to add any new row, there is an option in this, and if you want to resize the cell, then you can do it like this, in which you can type anything. Okay, sometimes if you type like this, it will go. Okay, so I hope you understood how to do this. So let me delete this, and let me click on insert table, and in this also you can draw a table. Actually, when you click draw table, you will get like this, from which you can draw multiple tables. See, you can draw a table however you want to, and then adjust it later. See, I can add, suppose I want to add something like this, then I can add something like this, but it is better that we select the options that are given by Word itself. So now I'm going to delete this. Okay, so this is how you add table, and there is also an Excel spreadsheet. So in Word you can bring spreadsheet. So in Excel spreadsheet, if you want to do some calculation or any mathematical operation, it can be done. See, when I press the Excel spreadsheet, in the Word itself I have opened an Excel. So this is actually an Excel sheet. Okay, so in this I can type a name. Okay, then max, science, then socials, like that. Then I can add a name, some name I can add. Let it make like Aravind or Vinayak, like that. Let me take myself. I'm putting some mark like 97, 99, 23, 34, 46, 77, 60, 45, 67, 87. So this is the random spreadsheets that I've created. Okay, so when I click outside, you can see that spreadsheet will automatically be converted into a table. And now if I want to edit this, then if I double click this, automatically the spreadsheet will be opened. So in this I can create a total in which I want the sum of these three subjects. So what I do is I select this, then I go to the so this is how the table will look. Okay, so in the table I can do many operations like sum, average, everything I can do. So what is there is an auto sum option that is present here. I have to click this and press sum. Okay, so these three will be summed and the total will appear here. So if I press enter, you can see that 198 will come. And similarly, many other options will be there. Count number, maximum, minimum, average. So if I put average, I don't want average now. In this, I want the sum of this. So what I'll do is, I'll double select this, I'll click this and I'll press sum. So with these three, I want sum. If I press enter, I'll get 190. Similarly, I'll do sum here. So if you want to see like a class average, then in this cell, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do sum, but I'm going to do average. Okay, sorry. So this is not the one. So if I select average, see, it will automatically select. So Microsoft is actually a smart software. So this will automatically select and the average will be displayed here. Okay, so I hope you understood how to work with, and to convert it directly we can make it into Word. Okay, because if you want Excel, I can double click this, or if I want normal, I'll go back to Word. So this is how you will enter Excel into Word. So now I'm deleting this. So let us go into further. Okay, there are some quick tables that is already a built-in table that is given by Microsoft. So you have calendar 1, calendar 2, and you have calendar 3. You have different types of calendars, and also like many tabular things, or you can present marks here, or if you want to show, and grading can be done like this. So if I select this, see, there is an automatically a theme that is selected, and also in which I can rename this as name, max, science, socials, like as we did it in the Excel sheet. Okay, so this is one way we can do work with tables. So this is a way in which we can insert many tables like this in Word. So let me delete this, and then now let me insert a table. Okay, so let me insert a table in which I'll increase the rows, number of rows. Let me have a 5 cross 5 table. Now there are different styles in the table you can do. So when you select the table itself, there are many different styles that Microsoft Office already provides. So you can browse different styles and also different colors to make your table more attractive. Many colors, and see, so many options are there. Okay, so you can modify table style, so many things. See, like you can make this for name, anything you can do, and also some shading options are given. So in shading options, you can see background colors are there. Border styles can be changed. Okay, so let me go to the original thing itself so that you can see the change that is occurring. So this is the normal table. So border styles can be changed. If I select this, then all the border, see, you need to actually, there will be a painting brush that will come when you select border styles, and see, you can see this painting brush, right? So you have to select everything. So only that thing will be changed. So only that border can be changed. Similarly, also there are pen colors also. So you can change the color of the borders. And if you want only the bottom border, or if I press no border, so the no border will be denoted by actually a dashed line. So in this only a layout is given, but if you go to file and see print preview, if I'll show you print preview, see, no borders will be shown. But if you want all borders to be present, and see, in design I want all borders, so I'll press all borders and then go to print. You can see all borders. So the dotted lines actually represent a format like thing, so it is actually not there. But sometimes see, for example, sometimes if I create table like this and write something like this, then you see only the first row table is changed. but the second and all other rows are remaining the same. But if you want to present all the row with same dimension, then in the layout option you have distribute row or distribute column. So you can press distribute row. So if you press distribute row, you can see that all the rows length, that is dimension, becomes same. So similarly there is a text align also. So you can see that text can be aligned below, or see if I take this one and select C. So I can align my text, and there are all 9 options that is given, and even cell margins. So these are a particular cell, and even you can do sorting, and similarly you can do formula. So for example, let us take this example in which I can do some sorting also. So if I press sort by name, then in ascending order our names will be arranged. Okay, so you can see first A, then H, then V. So the in ascending orders the names can be arranged. Similarly, I can make convert to text. So let us see what happens in this. So if I make this tabs option and select OK, you can see that actually the entire table is actually converted into text, where all the borders are not there. So all the borders are removed. So let me go to the previous one. Okay, let me select all the table thing. So let me select the table. I'll go to design, layout. Now sort we saw. Okay, similarly one more thing I will tell you, we can actually insert a column or a row. Okay, so this is insertion. These two are insertion of columns, and these two are insertion of rows. So if I select this and select insert above, there will be a row above, and similarly there I can select a row below also. So if I want one more subject, then I can add a row right and row left, and if I want a subject beyond social science, I can add row right. Okay, so similarly these things can be done. Okay, so now let me go back. So you see how this undo icon is very useful. Okay, so with this then I can apply formula also. So formula is sum I'll apply. So see, the formula must be of capital letters. So what I'm going to do is, I told you that Microsoft is intelligent. So what I'm going to do is, see, these three are filled. So in total, what I'm selecting this cell. Then if I click formula, then sum left will be there. So sum left means that already all these three are in the left hand side. So if I click OK, then the sum will be presented. So similarly, so see here sum above is there. So I do not want sum above. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to delete this. I'll come back in this. I'll put sum left, and again sum left. Again I'll put sum left, and again I'll put sum left. So if you want the total, you can do like this also. Okay, so we have seen all this, and also you can change the height and width of the cell. Okay, using this thing. So you can also split the table. So after head C, if I want to split the table, if I select on that cell, and if I click on split the table, then see, you can split the table actually like this. So it will become a two different table. See, and also in science subject we will have physics and chemistry, no? So you can actually split this cell also using this. So first what we are going to do is, we are going to make the columns as 1 and rows as 2 and press OK. So you can see there is something that is created. In one cell itself we have split. Then we are going to split it again, then click OK. Then you can see in this we can keep as biology or physics or chemistry, put the appropriate marks like that. So okay, so you can do like this. So in which you can put both physics and chemistry, biology and physics mark. So with this we have completed all the characteristics that we can see in a table. So with this we have completed this video. In the next video we will be seeing more about this pictures, shapes, smart arts, chart, screenshot, many different insert tab formats. Okay, so thank you everyone. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.